Arduino-based identification and temperature detector using QR code and thermal scanner.
TEMPCODE is an Arduino-based identification and temperature detector using QR code and thermal scanner. This study mainly focuses on developing a device that will provide safety of each individual, particularly the students, especially now that classes are slowly going back to normal. This device contains a quick response code scanner that will scan the information of the students, including the faculties and non-faculty, for their attendance before they enter the school gate. This device assesses a person's current body temperature without any contact to avoid viruses and diseases such as Ebola, COVID-19 virus, and Lassa fever. It is also portable and can be powered using an HD batteries and a power supply adapter or charger. This device has 2-in-1 feature, a temperature and identification scanner, which is less hassle and convenient for the users to use. This is also easier to use since the user will only put their hands with their identification cards, then the device, which is programmed using Arduino, can easily detect the user's identification for students' attendance. The part of the device which has a thermal sensor will detect the user's temperature in accordance with the user's wrist. TEMPCODE is not just limited in schools, but it can also be used in offices or in establishments that requires an ID before entering the building.